guys, welcome back to my another video. Anyways, I just started opening a Squishmallows cloud slime. This is actually my first cloud slime, guys. And yeah, I did open it earlier today, but I don't care about that. Anyways, yeah, it's chocolate and vanilla scented, and I'm going to mix both of them. Hi.
Drink something?
1 second.
Okay, drink some. Who's it?
So,
Friends?
no. It's for YouTube. So anyways, the slime. Oh my god, bro. It's so good, bro. Anyways, yeah, this is so stretchy. Wait, I'm gonna try and do a trick that people do.
Okay.
They stretch it and then they curl it.
It's okay, yeah. That's fine.
Yeah. Okay, and then second slime is chocolate. My God, it's red. I also introduced Pep and Omar squishies. Chocolate smells bad. Chocolate smells bad. That's okay.
You can delete my...
That's okay. I can't delete it. Anyways, the chocolate one looks pretty, but it smells bad. It smells like chocolate and coffee, or chocolate flavored coffee. I don't even know if that's a thing, but yeah, dark chocolate flavored ice cream. So stretchy. Oh my god, this is actually my first cloud dough slime. Anyways, yeah. Now we are going to open this cute little mystery gift. It's Pep and Omar! So cute. It's like a slime charm. I think they want us to mix the slimes. Let's try mixing them. I know it's going to become orange. Are you guys ready? I'm scared. Oh my god, bro, this is so fluffy. It smells better when it's mixed. It smells more like vanilla than chocolate. Wow, it's like a fiery red color. Like a reddish, orangish color. I'm gonna do some ASMR videos with this later. And yes, if you guys have noticed, yes, I am wearing the same outfit I have worn for my first few shorts. Anyways, yeah. If you guys want to see my brother in real life, because like in one of my videos, I introduced my brother. So yeah, Galia. I think he just went to the bathroom. It's stuck to my finger. Oof. It's like pretty orange color, but then I can still see like a tiny bit of yellow there. It smells so good. What happens if I put it on the camera? Okay, it turns black. It got stuck on me. Anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna spill some tea. So technically, like, my star test is like super close, and don't tell anybody this. Don't even tell my dad if you know him. But I'm getting an Apple iPad. I'm gonna get an Apple iPad as a gift if I pass my star. Just don't tell anyone. Yeah, I actually do have a good jawline. Anyways, I'm ready to put on the Galia, come here.
Okay. Wow.
Come on, sit down. Say hi.
Hi.
This is my brother, guys. Smile. So, yeah. Anyways, you want to try the slime?
Yeah.
Here. Don't put it on the floor, okay? Keep it in your hands. I think he likes it. Oh, is it sticky?
Yeah.
Okay, show me your hands.
It sticks to my hands.
Wait. Wait, Galia, pause. Stop. Start rubbing your hands. Rub your hands. You want to go wash your hands?
No.
You have to. Okay? Anyways, yeah. I mixed both of the yellow and red slimes.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, I'm gonna put this inside one of the 2 containers and pack it up like how slime sellers pack it up.
This one.
And I'm gonna put 𝒜𝒽𝓋𝒶𝒾𝓉𝒽𝒶'𝓈 right there. It's like a little Valentine's Day or like fall themed slime. This is so cute. Oh my god! Smells so good. Galia, smell it. Smell it.
It smells like.
And now
Okay.
it's time to destroy. Yeah! Bye bye, 𝒜𝒽𝓋𝒶𝒾𝓉𝒽𝒶'𝓈. 𝒜𝒽𝓋𝒶𝒾𝓉𝒽𝒶'𝓈. Oh my god, they're alive!
You found it.
They're alive.
Yours.
Anyways, we're gonna put them back.
Oh, good. Let's put it back.
Wait. Don't touch. It's my toy.
My toy.
Anyways, yeah, we're gonna split the slimes
Wait,
evenly. Guys, did you notice that this is like a little smiley face? Hey, stop it. Don't touch it, it's mine. Don't touch it, it's mine. Okay?
Don't touch it. It's mine.
He just... Stop hitting me.
Stop hitting me.
I'm not hitting you.
I'm not hitting you.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
Hey, stop it.
Stop. Hey, stop it.
Hey.
Stop blowing it away.
Anyways, yeah.
Anyway,
Just... Oh my god. I'm okay.
My God.
I'm okay. I guess that this 8-minute video is done. And yeah, bye guys. Oh.